Hi guys again. So if you hear anything in the background, it's my dad. He's listening to music, so I don't know. But yeah, so I got these two as well today. It's kind of like a mini photo card slash postcard haul, I guess. Yeah, so I think I will begin to open this one. So this one is from Kpoptown. Oh. So yeah, I got these cards. These Everysing. Oh, these are really nice. These Everysing group photo cards, and yeah, they were really cheap. So I decided to buy them. In total, it was like $9. And they're like legit things, photo cards. Sorry. I will put the links down below in the description box. I don't know if they're still selling them, but yeah. And the next thing is from eBay. This is from the grapemusiccd store on eBay. And as usual, I will put the link down below in the description box if you're interested. Oh, I know if yeah, okay. So it seems like it's wrapped in this magazine thing. Okay, first up, I got this. So this is focus. This is Kris Miracles in December photo. I only got his. I didn't bother to collect all the other members, so it was pretty cheap. But the main reason why I bought from them was because of this card. So I didn't plan to get this, but I did. So I got Kris Nature Republic card. I don't know if I'm going to collect all the others. It's pretty, very expensive. But I have Kris at least. And I got this small freebie. This is really cute. So it's like, will it focus? So it's like a small Polaroid photo card. And it's fan made. But it's really cute actually. Oh, I didn't notice this little plastic sleeve. It says Nature Republic. So yeah, these were the things that I got today. I was actually pretty surprised because I thought I would get these on Friday. But they came today. I'm really happy with that. Tomorrow is Christmas, or Christmas Eve. In Sweden we celebrate the 24th. That's the day when we give presents and all the stuff, and not on the 25th like you do in the US. Yeah, so I'm really excited. And I know I said this in the fan art unboxing video, but I want to wish you all a happy holiday and yeah, just happy new year and everything. Thank you for all the support and always watching my videos. And as usual, I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.